Today I'm going to tell you 10 most important things you must try to follow as a new guy in an offshore surveying company. But before I tell them, first ask yourself this question. Why are you here? What are your objectives for joining this company? I know most of you will say money. Think again and try to answer them at the end of this video. First, develop interpersonal relation, dependable working relation. In a company, there may be hundreds of new faces every year and you need to make sure that everybody knows that you are there. Make your presence felt. Go and say good morning, hi, hello. Second, show your willingness to take on challenges. Ask the project managers if there is anything coming up where you can contribute and that you are willing and available. Sometimes it may happen that you may not know the work, but we all start from zero. The main thing is to start. Be confident. Say that though you may have never done the job, you are confident that you can do it. Number 3. Back up your claim with your work. Not everybody gets a chance and chance may knock on your door only once. Grab it with both hands. Go the extra mile or two. Learn new things. Volunteer for extra shift. Watch what the seniors are doing. Keep a notebook with you. Keep your eyes and ears open. Number 4. Always ask if you do not know something. It is in our human nature that we hide our ignorance, our fault. Do not. Always accept that you cannot always know everything and be brave to ask for help. Ask relevant questions. Do not test the seniors. Don't be over smart. Be humble and learn new things simply by asking. पूछने में क्या जाता है? Number 5. Do not be a hero. Offshore is an unforgiving place and heroes exist only in Indian movies. Your seniors are well trained and experienced, but you as a newcomer have a lot to learn. Do not jump in where angels fear to tread. Learn by observing how it is done. One day you will be there, I assure you. Number 6. Learn the basics of your trade. Nobody expects you to know everything, but you must know the basics of offshore surveying. Why and how are the two key words you must remember. First ask why it is done, and when you know it, ask how it is done. That's all as a newcomer you are supposed to know. Never ask how before you know why. Offshore jobs will build your confidence and experience of doing things in different ways than what you learned in your college and in your training. Number 7. Ask for feedback. Once a project is completed, always ask your seniors for their honest feedback. Ask them what you could have done better. What are the ways you can learn and do better next time? Then ask your senior if he is willing to take you with him on the next project. Number 8. Give feedback. Always give feedback about how you think some processes can be improved next time and what you are willing to do to improve the process. Come up with a valid solution. Don't pose a question or a problem to the seniors and managers. Always come up with a solution, your solution. Remember, feedback is all about improving the process and not against or for any individual. Number 9. Do not say no. As you are starting up your career, whatever job comes your way, gladly accept them and go and excel in that job. Make sure you do better than your best. Saying no to a job, whatever may be the reason, will create a negative notion about you. Remember, a job is a job, no matter how small or how trivial it may be. Number 10. Always practice your trade. Never think you have mastered something. You can never ever master something. There is always a better way to do a job. There is always a faster and economical way to do a job. The more you practice, the better you get at it. You create a muscle memory which is always better when you are working offshore. Now, no matter what you do, these 10 steps are a sure way for a successful career. But they are not everything. I can teach anybody how to click a mouse and where to click, but I cannot make you a surveyor. That comes from your eagerness to learn, That comes from your ability to reflect upon your mistakes and learn from it. As for myself, I'm still learning. So tell me why you are here. Comment below if you have a conviction, and I'll see you later.